out in this at all, Jamie, you gotta stay hydrated.
Yeah, very important to drink a lot of water. Take the big jug if you're going out today. Don't mess with a smaller water bottle. You want, the big giant one, because it is just going to be one of those days where it doesn't take much to start sweating and you need to replenish those fluids. We already have a ton of sunshine out there this morning and it feels very warm and humid already at this early hour. We have temperature of 82 degrees. The dew point is 72. So already kind of getting up to that uncomfortable level, and winds are calm, so there's not much breeze bringing any relief. If you're planning to get outside with some time on the patio, it is not going to be comfortable no matter what time you go out. Morning temperatures in the low 80s. Around noon we'll be up to 90, and then we'll hit a high in the mid 90s. But we also expect some scattered thunderstorms later today, and those will help drop temperatures briefly, but it's not going to change the humidity. And they could also produce some heavier rainfall. So look at our dew point scale here. When they're in the 50s, it feels pretty good. 60s are sticky or uncomfortable, but we are firmly in the miserable zone as we go through today and really the next several days. Air quality today is moderate, just like yesterday. Low tree pollen, low grass pollen. Our mold count is also at a moderate level today. And as we go through the day, it's going to be one of those days where we have dry weather initially, but then some scattered showers and storms pop for the afternoon. And that's really going to be the case for the next 4 days. So if you have to get some yard work done, the morning hours are going to be your best bet, so you don't have to worry about any rain. But there is a little rain out there right now. We've got this one downpour just across the Indiana-Ohio state line. If it holds together, it will be working into Mercer County before long. So be prepared for some potential wet conditions up your way as we go through the next half hour to 45 minutes. Otherwise, high pressure to our south, a stalled front to the north, and this front will continue to slowly drop a little bit farther southward today. So it will help to bring in better rain chances, especially as we reach peak heating this afternoon. Most of us will not see a severe thunderstorm, but we do have at least a marginal threat area-wide, which is a 1 on our scale of 1 to 5. And that means we could get a warning for some stronger wind, which will be the main concern to go along with that heavy rain potential. Future track shows fairly quiet conditions between now and noon, although an isolated shower is not out of the question. The better chance arrives in the mid to late afternoon to go along with peak heating, where we'll see some scattered thunderstorms popping up. Notice some spots stay dry all day while others will get the downpour. It's just going to be one of those days where it's hit and miss across the area. They'll continue into the evening but diminish overnight. Tomorrow starts dry, but just like today, we go into the afternoon and we start to see more numerous showers and the chance for some thunder with heavy rain possible. Here's your forecast for today. The high is 94. It'll feel more like 103, and we do expect some scattered thunderstorms to pop up. Overnight low is 74 with an evening thunderstorm, then partly cloudy, warm and muggy. Tomorrow is another hot and humid day with a high of 93, heat index around 100, and we'll still have the chance for some scattered afternoon thunderstorms. Again, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, the pattern just continues in this stagnant air mass. And it does look like finally by Tuesday, the heat wave will break with highs in the upper 80s. You can get the Storm Team